So today we are going to do some practice with long division. Boys and girls, who can tell me what division is? What is division, Ayana? Yes, we definitely have to do with groups. Johnny, what else is division? It's repeated subtraction, right? So we know that we're going to take a big number and we're going to split it into groups. So for this example, we are going to use 312 divided by 4. Now we know when we learned division earlier in this year and maybe even last year that we could do 312 minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, all the way until we get to 0. That would take a very long time. We could also do 312 divided by 4 groups, and we could put little tally marks until we get to 312. But that would take a very long time, and you'd probably be able to tell your 5th grade teacher that answer. So 312 divided by 4, all we're doing is we are breaking 312 into 4 groups. So we're going to divide our paper into 4 groups. You can number them 1, 2, 3, 4 if that helps you. Okay, so go ahead and make 4 groups on your paper.
A little bit bigger, or is this good?
As long as you'll be able to write numbers and add inside of it, then it's good. If you need to make it bigger, then make it bigger. Okay. Before we get started, what number are we starting with? What number are we going to be dividing? What number are we going to be splitting into groups? Hunter?
312.
Yes, 312. So I'm going to keep track of that down here so I can keep a running record of what we're doing here. So we have 312. And Julia, we're splitting it into how many groups?
50.
How many groups? 4 groups, right. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to try to think of a number that we can take out of 312 and put evenly into 4 groups. Jaslyn, what number do you want to try? $30? Okay. So let's just try that out before we get started. So if we put 30 here, we would have plus 30, which is
60.
plus 30,
90.
plus 30.
120.
Do we have enough to take out 120?
Yes.
Yes. So go ahead and write 30 in each group. Because that means that we're taking away 30 from 4 groups. We're taking away from 312. How much do we just take away total? 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. Johnny? 120. So we took away 120. So subtract that on your paper. Give me a thumbs up. I have the answer. $312 minus 120. Looks like almost all of us have the answer. We're going to do something really quick. When I say whisper, I want you to whisper the answer in your ear. Like, I don't want to hear it. And then we're going to let it out, and then I want to hear it. Got it? Okay. Nope. It's just in your hand. Ready? Whisper your answer. And let it go.
192.
Beautiful. So we still have 192 left out of that 312. Okay? So it might be easiest if we just take away another group of 30. Could we do that, Olivia? Could we take away 30 4 times? We would be taking away how much? 30, 60, 90, 120. Do we have more than 120?
Yes.
Yeah. So we can do the same thing again. 30, 30, 30, 30. And 30 times 4 we said was what?
120.
120. Very good. So we're going to subtract that from 192. $192 minus 120. If we took away 120 out of that 192 we have left, we have 2 minus 0, which is 2, 9 minus 2, which is 7, 1 minus 1, which is 0. So, Michael, how much do we have left to work with? We have 72. And Jalen, what number do we start with again? What number did we start with total? What's our big number we're splitting up?
Oh, 312.
Yeah, 312. Very good. Can we take away a group of 30 again?
No.
No. Olivia, why can't we?
Because we don't have like the enough amount because it's
Yeah, we don't have enough. How much would we be taking away, Mayana? If we took away 30 from each group, how much would we be taking away? We would be taking away 120, and what do we have left, Sanaya? We have 72, so we see we can't do that. So are we going to pick a bigger number and go higher, or a little number and go lower? Polaris? We're going to pick a lower number. Who's got one? Parker, what you want to try? You want to try 11? Let's try it. If we do 11 plus 11, that would be plus 11?
33.
Plus 11?
44.
Do we have more than 44?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and try it. 11, 11, 11, 11. Okay, that we said that would give us 44 that we're going to take away from 72. Down here. That's okay. Look, you can just add your 4 onto the 11. Okay. Yep, 72 minus 44 because we took 11. We took 4 groups of 11 away.
Ooh, got it.
You got a few now? Good. Okay, see that most of us have finished that subtraction portion. Ayana, what is 72 minus 44? 28, very good. Okay, now we have 28 left, and we have 4 groups. So what number are we going to take away 4 times from 28? Hunter, what do you think? 6. Let's try it. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 6? 18. Plus 6? 24. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So do it.
Yes, we can. I knew it.
So we have 6 times 4, which we said was 24. And 28 minus 24 is? No.
4.
Thank you. 4. Okay. Do we have enough to take away 4 groups of something from 4?
No.
Victoria, what do you think? If we did 1, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we do that? Yes. So we're going to take away 4 groups of 1, which would give us 4. And what would we have left? We would have 0 left. So are we going to have a remainder for this one? No, because we put 312 into 4 groups perfectly even, didn't we? Okay, who can tell me what the next step is? Kyra, what's the next step? Yes, I like that you added each row, because we're not going to add all these numbers together, are we? Are we? No, we're just adding the number that we took out of each group. Okay, so we're going to add 30 plus 30 plus 11 plus 6 plus 1, and we'll be able to tell how much is in each group here, because that'll be the answer to 312 divided by 4. So go ahead and add those numbers up for me.
78.
Write it on your notebook. Looks like all of you have it done. Okay, Carissa, how much did we have in each group?
79.
Close. Johnny? 78. Okay. Carissa, did you add the number of the group? I was just getting ready to say, if you do add the numbers, it might be a good idea to separate that so you know not to add that, because I've done it before too. So we have 78. So would you agree that if we added 78 plus 78 plus 78 plus 78, we would get 312? Yes, because we took away 4 groups from 312, right? Right? Maybe? Okay, very good. So that is how long division works.